Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Kavu Creative. Today, I will be designing a minimalist pig icon design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, double-click on the Artboard tool in the toolbar. Next, check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section. Then press OK. Make Fill off. Select Ellipse tool from toolbar for face. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set the width to 220 pixels and set the height to 200 pixels and press OK. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set width and height to 70 pixels. Press OK. Again, hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set width and height to 35 pixels. Press OK. Hold down Shift key and select both and align it as per I do for left ear. Hold down Shift plus Alt key and make its copy to right side for right ear. Select Ellipse tool from toolbar for mouth. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set the width to 80 pixels and set the height to 75 pixels and press OK. Select Ellipse tool from toolbar for nose. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set the width to 10 pixels and set the height to 20 pixels and press OK. Now, go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in Place. Hold down Shift key and press left arrow key. Select Middle Ellipse and hold down Shift key and press right arrow key. Select Mouth and Nose. Hold down Shift key and press down arrow key 5 times. Select Ellipse tool from toolbar for eyes. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set the width to 15 pixels and set the height to 30 pixels and press OK. Now, go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in Place. Hold down Shift key and press left arrow key 3 times for left eye. Select Middle Ellipse and hold down Shift key and press right arrow key 3 times for right eye. Select All and select Shape Builder tool. Merge the shape as I do. Now, select Live Bucket tool for filling colors. Hold down Alt key and you can change color in it. You can also choose your color combination. Select all and make stroke off. Click on Expand. Hold down Shift plus Alt key and make its copy to left side. Select Shape Builder tool. Change color using Eyedropper tool. Merge the shape as I do. Select Pen tool and hold Shift key and make the line in the center of pig as I do. Select both and go to Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Right-click on it and select Ungroup. Select left side and press Delete key. Now, holding Shift key and put it on the pig. Go to Transparency panel and select Blending mode as Multiply. Now, select all and right-click and select Group. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Write width and height as 400 pixels and press OK. Right-click on it and select Arrange and select Send to Back. Now, select all and align them in center from Align panel. Make Default, Fill, and Stroke, and make Fill Off. Select Rectangle tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Write width and height as 250 pixels and press OK. Hold Shift key and rotate it 45 degrees. Now adjust it for shadow using Direct Selection tool. Change its color using Eyedropper tool. Go to Transparency panel and select Blending mode as Multiply. Now select Pig and right-click and select Arrange. Select Bring to Front. Select Big Circle and go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in Place. Select all and click on Making Clipping Mask. Just like that, we've created a visual symphony of simplicity and sophistication. Your opinions matter to us. Please leave your thoughts below. Found this video helpful? Like and subscribe to fuel more design explorations. Grateful for our community.